Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix slow download on Terabox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first is of course you'll have to check and double check that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now once you have fully checked on that, we'll just have to clear a bit of settings from the Terabox itself. Now all you have to do is to go to your settings from here, scroll down a bit till we find apps and tap on it. So once you're on apps, and then in here, just look for Terabox. Now what you want to do from here is you'll just have to clear all the storage and cache from the app itself. So to do that, just simply click on storage, and here first clear cache, then clear all data. Tap on delete, and everything is cleared. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and try to rerun your Terabox and check your download speed. So that's basically how you can fix slow download on Terabox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.